Guys, I think the storm's about to start.
Whoa!
Pancake? What happened? You've gone white with fear.
Oh, Blob Genie scared him because he didn't want to do the contest.
What was the contest?
Baking pancakes and eating them?
Smoke detector, care to tell us why you're late? Whoops, sorry, was I too late? I had to go to the toilet.
Nice work, copycat. It's not enough to beat the master.
Lucky for you, your team won and Cup got eliminated. Unlucky for you is that you will get one extra vote next time the Big Babies is up for elimination. Ha ha ha.
Oh, no. I don't understand. I'm leaning on the floor crying. That stupid skier. Can't believe she said that I stole her idea. Oh, why all the hate? I don't remember being late. Blob Genie, you suck. You're making me feel stuck in this horrible place of misery.
Oh wait, you heard that, didn't you? Ugh, now we gotta go tell Blob Genie and Gear.